know there's a single superfood that can boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, and even improve your skin, all naturally? Stick around, because today we're diving into the 13 amazing benefits of Moringa powder that could transform your health. But before we dive into these benefits, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Moringa powder is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin A, which supports eye health and boosts immunity. Vitamin C in moringa promotes collagen production and enhances skin vitality. The powder is also a good source of calcium, important for strong bones and teeth. Iron content helps in combating anemia and improving energy levels. Potassium in moringa supports heart health and maintains proper muscle function. A small serving of moringa provides a concentrated dose of nutrition for daily wellness. Number 2. Boosts immune health. Moringa powder strengthens the immune system with its high vitamin C content. It contains antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. These properties help the body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Moringa also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, further enhancing immune defense. Regular use can support quicker recovery from colds and flu. Its nutrients also help maintain energy levels, preventing fatigue during illness. Including moringa in your diet is a natural way to build long-term resilience. Number 3. Antioxidant powerhouse. Moringa is packed with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the body. Lower oxidative stress can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Antioxidants also slow down aging by protecting cells from damage. Consuming moringa regularly promotes better skin, brain function, and overall vitality. Its antioxidant properties also support recovery from exercise and physical exertion. This makes it a valuable addition to any health-focused lifestyle. Number 4. Promotes healthy skin. Moringa powder enhances skin health with its rich supply of vitamins A and E. Vitamin A helps repair skin tissues and maintain a smooth complexion. Vitamin E hydrates and protects the skin, reducing dryness and irritation. Antioxidants in moringa combat signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. It also supports collagen production, improving skin elasticity and tone. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce acne and other skin issues. Regular use can result in radiant and youthful-looking skin. Number 5. Supports digestive health. Moringa contains fiber that aids in healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties soothe the digestive tract, reducing discomfort. Moringa helps combat bloating, gas, and constipation by supporting gut health. The antibacterial properties of moringa can also fight harmful gut bacteria. It promotes the growth of beneficial gut microbes, improving overall digestion. Its nutrients support the repair and maintenance of the intestinal lining. Consuming moringa powder regularly can enhance nutrient absorption and digestive efficiency. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Moringa powder is known to help regulate blood sugar levels. Chlorogenic acid and isothiocyanates in moringa improve insulin sensitivity. It reduces the absorption of sugar in the intestines, preventing spikes in blood glucose. Regular use may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes or help manage the condition. Moringa can also reduce inflammation linked to high blood sugar levels. Its nutrient profile supports overall metabolic health and energy balance. This makes it a natural choice for people seeking better glycemic control. Number 7. Improves heart health. Moringa supports heart health with its rich supply of antioxidants and potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. The antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Moringa also helps lower cholesterol levels, promoting better cardiovascular function. Its anti-inflammatory properties further protect arteries from damage. Regular consumption may reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. It's a natural way to maintain a healthy heart and overall circulation. Number 8. Supports brain health. Moringa is rich in vitamin E and C, which are vital for brain health. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which can impair cognitive function. The powder also contains compounds that may enhance memory and learning capacity. Its anti-inflammatory properties protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Moringa's nutrient profile supports better mood and reduced anxiety. Regular use can improve focus, mental clarity, and overall cognitive function. It's a natural brain booster for long-term health. Number 9. Aids in weight management. Moringa powder can support weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism. Its fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing overeating. The nutrients in moringa promote sustained energy, aiding in regular physical activity. Moringa's antioxidants support fat metabolism and reduce inflammation associated with obesity. It may also help balance blood sugar levels, preventing cravings. Regular consumption can aid in maintaining a healthy weight over time. Moringa is a great addition to a balanced diet for sustainable weight management. Number 10. Reduces inflammation. Moringa powder has strong anti-inflammatory properties due to its bioactive compounds. It helps lower inflammation in joints, muscles, and internal organs. Regular use may reduce symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. The powder's antioxidants further protect tissues from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Moringa also helps regulate the immune system's response to inflammation. It's a natural way to manage pain and swelling without relying on medications. Including it in your diet supports overall joint and tissue health. Number 11. Supports bone health. Moringa is a rich source of calcium, essential for strong and healthy bones. It also contains magnesium, which helps with calcium absorption and bone density. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa may reduce joint pain and stiffness. Its vitamin K content supports bone metabolism and healing. Moringa powder is beneficial for people with osteoporosis or those at risk of bone loss. Its nutrients promote the repair and maintenance of bone tissue. Including it in your diet strengthens the skeletal system over time. Number 12. Detoxifies the body. Moringa powder is known for its detoxifying properties. It supports liver function, helping the body process and eliminate toxins efficiently. The antioxidants in moringa protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Moringa's natural fiber content aids in flushing out toxins from the digestive system. It also promotes kidney health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular use can leave you feeling more energized and revitalized. It's a natural way to cleanse the body and support overall wellness. Finally, number 13. Boosts energy levels. Moringa is packed with nutrients that naturally boost energy and stamina. Its iron content helps combat fatigue by supporting oxygen transport in the blood. Moringa's vitamins and antioxidants promote better metabolic function. It's a caffeine-free option for sustained energy throughout the day. Regular use may improve physical performance and recovery after exercise. Moringa also helps balance blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. Including it in your routine can enhance productivity and overall vitality. Thank you for joining us as we explored the incredible benefits of moringa powder. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments if you've tried moringa and how it's helped you, or if you have questions about incorporating it into your routine. Remember, small steps toward natural health can lead to big changes. Stay healthy, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.